Oh no, no, no. So what's the point of feelings? Feelings. What's the point of feelings? Feelings. What's the point of What to do, GZ Crew? It's your girl Danny. Yo, we gotta go do something real quick. And your girl Damo, and we back with another one.
What's your back,
y'all should know already. It's a little vloggy vlog. You already know. I look drippy. I look drippy.
Yo, should I put these on, yo?
Yeah, we about to go rob a bank.
Hey, yo, we gotta go. No, Danny, stop telling me what we doing, bro. We not trying to get caught. You know?
Oh, what?
We doing what we doing.
We about to go. Yeah, what she said.
Yeah.
So we about to go to Walmart. I'm about to go give me some Walmart shoes because I got only slides and I don't want, and I got some Alexander. I'm not wearing those in the snow, so I'm about to go cop me some sneakers from Walmart. You already know, man. I'm so serious. She think I'm lying? I'm serious.
Why I had it in my pocket? I thought I left it.
He ain't put the order on in 2 days.
Crazy.
So yeah, that's my boy Kai with the stink underarms. You feel me? This Damo swear she like that. And yeah, and the lit out there trying to warm up the car. So yeah, just stay tuned.
Don't do that.
Yeah.
You ain't with me, yo.
Oh, look at this. She got the big bobby.
I'm with the twins. I'm with my favorite right here too.
Alright, so. Hi, guys. I'm Aaliyah. We're on our way to Walmart. We about to get a.
Oh, wrong way. He the man of the house. Woof, woof. You heard?
Y'all heard them.
What? It's not a cat. Hey, it's wet.
Yo, I'm gonna see what's called. It's my twin right here, the hug. She wants everything. Red, white hat. And you just her.
We only going 5 miles.
5 miles, y'all.
Oh, you almost hit him in his butt.
I know. He was laughing.
Move it, Brandy.
What happened?
You see the face that? Hey,
Yo, it's different out here.
Where?
She can't even turn. Alright, so it's
the
me.
people down here need help from the people up there.
Alright, so Walmart from her house is 5 minutes. We're gonna get there in 30 minutes, okay? So stay tuned when we get there, you feel me? They're gonna snowboard in her school.
They look like they're having fun.
Where there is.
Why we don't got a snowboard?
Oh, snowboarding and stuff. Man, we can roll down the hill. Forget the snowboard.
Yo, Leo, this your school?
Yeah, this on 5.
Hey, yo, Kyle.
What?
One more time.
What?
Ask one more time. Yeah, this school big though, no cap.
For real, I thought it would be a college or something. No cap. But this school not better than Snyder, so I don't care.
This another one.
Oh! Ah, not the Yeezys. Dang, he just messed up the
See that, yo? Y'all ain't even warm.
I just said, yo.
I was about to say, let me get on your back. You gotta save me from the water, and you gonna step in it.
Can't wait to go get my Walmart shoes. Cause these ain't Nick.
So guys, we're currently walking. We don't know what we're getting yet.
I do. Some boots. You got some boots. I bet. Say no more. I'm about to whack her. Watch. Riley, yo. Stop playing. Oh, I forgot it. Hold on, let me put my mask on, son. Dang. Wait, what is that? Where am I? In my pocket.
Yo, wish I want to eat though. I
What
might
is
get some
that?
Subway. I ain't know. We are 20.
Alright, let me go get some of my sneakers first. Let's go get the sneakers first.
The sneakers.
Yeah. Can I get some butters? Let's try to get something. Not these.
So we're about to look for some shoes for Danny.
Yeah.
So
Can't go nothing wrong with a little Walmart shoes.
y'all should have did a video like get some drip at Walmart.
Yeah, we could have, but I would have been fly. No cap. I would have been mad fly.
Those look mad comfortable. Alright, you want some Uggs? No.
I can't fit those.
What type of boots? Oh.
What's this? These girls. You already know the vibes. I ain't getting them.
Alexander snakeskin.
Oh. Which ones I want?
Get some
Look.
Yo, they got the Air Force Ones, man. You think if I walk too fast, they gonna notice? I might copy though.
Which ones? I need a 4.5. I need a 4.5.
Oh, for real.
Nah, these girly.
You can get some Zettas right here.
I don't want them bananas. The boots right here. Oh, the boy shoes right here. Oh, we got the Vans. I don't want to put those on. The Jordan, though, we got the 11s right here. I'm getting these.
Yo, they got the Shack Attack.
I'm getting these, that one. They got the 11s.
They got the Shack there. They got a little ducking on the side too.
That one, they really got the 11s.
This what you be wearing. This what you used to be wearing in middle school.
You think I'm playing? I don't got no
Got the
shoes. I
coppers?
only got the Alexanders in the house.
You serious?
Yeah, she don't got the Alexander.
I think we should-
Quit playing with her, y'all.
Yo, I'm wild. I thought these was Fendi's.
Oh!
Hey yo, you
Get
could
those.
put the other Air Force Ones on. They ain't gonna notice.
These things fire. Gotta get these. Getting these for
These the first come, first serve.
from jail? Yeah, you already know, man. Alright. I'm getting these instead. These things is fire. Know the vibes. Getting them, copping them, right, Kyle? Copping them?
Yeah, you want me to cop them with you, yo?
Yeah, copping them with me.
They only got my size.
What's your size? They probably got them in the middle.
They only got 6, 4, 3.
Alright, what's your size?
Over at 10.
They probably got it right there in the middle. So I just found out we spent that again. You already know, so I had to get a couple things. I got my shoes, I got my sweatpants, I got all that.
You really getting shoes, bro?
I'm not getting it. Bro, you thought I was lying?
But like, what are you really getting shoes for?
Cause, oh yeah,
You just wear whatever
what?
Leah got her house, bro. Just use all her stuff, dirty it up, and then return it.
Yeah, you're right. I probably don't need the shoes. Hey yo, so we got some things, right? You supposed to come here for like 2 things. And what we came with? Sure.
We supposed to pick up one item, really.
And we don't even know what Kai at. He probably bought so.
Comes to find out, we might be doing something later on.
Yeah. Like throwing the lid in a
We're still Come slide, tell a friend, tell a friend.
Valentine's Friday, you already
Tell
know.
a friend,
Wait,
tell a friend.
he is?
Yeah.
They copying. Yo, where's car, right?
What tips are you getting?
Those not even a car. Bruh, my bad. I forgot. But look, we got a whole bunch of stuff. So we just found out we about to go to New York.
We didn't even know. You know,
Atlantic City?
You know, Mama Deuce just said we going out today. Atlantic City, you hear me? So stop playing with us,
We go to
man.
the A, y'all.
Her mother just popped out of nowhere like we out here today. Like, stop playing. Miss Vanetta was like, hey, yo, what the gang got? For real, like she got the whole gang with us today. She was like, yeah, let's go out, shit, you know what I'm saying? We about to get a whole telly, you know what I'm saying? And we about to get all the bitches, and she about to be by herself. Cause you know, she about to be by herself, cause me, Kai, Dama, we about to get lit. Treasure, you know, Jeff.
Hello, I'm gonna get all the bitches.
She said she about to get the, bro, what you doing?
I already bagged one in Walmart, nothing new.
She said bag on with the bonnet on.
What's the bonnet?
Okay.
Looking bunny.
Me too. I'm looking bunny. I had for my grandmother on. God, why you didn't tell me? I would man down.
Oh my gosh.
She's sick as hell.
It's cold.
It feel good? Look at that.
I'm falling, I can't get up. I'm falling.
Don't get hurt, bro.
Oh shit, we about to kill it?
She hit me. She hit me.
Watch it. Boom. Boom. Oh, boom. Boom.
Dama, get
Boom.
the card.
She's still throwing, so like, what is wrong with her?
Alright. Y'all wanna play game?
Alright, next day vibes, you know. We didn't finish vlogging yesterday, but you know what I'm saying? He over here eating, I don't know what. And I'm on that broke hoverboard. Oh, don't think I'm dirty because I got these on, because I definitely wash clothes. The laundry room right there.
Ooh.
Wait, the laundry room over there. You need, let me see. Look, let me show you the laundry room. Oh! Oh, you brought me up.
We all wash that ass. We all wash that ass.
Ouch! No, why would you? I don't want it. I don't want it. Wait, hold on. I gotta take this out real quick. Let me get out of here with that. What is that doing?
What's the point of feelings? Feelings. What's the point of feelings? Feelings. What's the point of feelings? Feelings. Oh no, no, no. So what's the point of feelings? Feelings. What's the point of feelings? Feelings. What's the point of feelings? Feelings.